Hello, good afternoon. Today I am at Kumar Piccadilly project. This project is at Wakad. It is near to Bhumkar Chowk, and this is the sample flat of 3 BHK, which is of 948 carpet area. This is the lobby space. First bedroom, a guest bedroom. This is living room. Here you will have the TV unit. This is the dining space. We have odd even terrace options since it is an even floor, so you don't have terrace in living room, you have terrace in bedroom. I'll show you. This is the terrace, bedroom attached terrace. But in odd floor you will have this terrace in your living room. This is the second bedroom. In front of that you have your kitchen area. This side is your dry balcony. This side is common toilet with shower area. Now this side is your master bedroom. You have two windows for good ventilation, and here is your attached toilet. So the carpet area of this 3 BHK is 948 square feet. Now this is the construction site. You can see the tower in which the booking process is going on. It is in under construction phase. The possession date is December 21, and it will have 2 and 3 BHK. 2 BHK is completely sold out, so we are having inventory only in 3 BHK flats. So this will be a 12-story building, and just behind this under construction building you can see open space. This space is for future development. We will launch few more towers after the booking process of this building. So the total land parcel of this completed building as well as these upcoming areas is 6 acres. This is the completed phase which has been handed over 2 years back. You can see this side is the amenity space. Here you have children play area, clubhouse, gym and swimming pool. Similarly, you will have few more amenities in the upcoming phase, or you can say in the upcoming building. You will have intercom facility in your building lobby. This is the lobby space. This is the main entrance of Kumar Piccadilly. And this is the under construction site. This area is for future development, and this is the construction area. This is the approach road of Kumar Piccadilly. As I said, this project is at Wakad, so it comes under PCMC. This road is going straight towards Akshara School, Akshara International School, and along with few more schools as well as Indira College. And this road is going straight towards Bhumkar Chowk. So Bhumkar Chowk is not more than 2 kilometers from this project. Connectivity wise, this project has a good connectivity. This road will take you towards Bhumkar Chowk, as well as the upcoming metro station is not more than 4 kilometers from Kumar Piccadilly. And if you want to go towards Rawat or Punavle, then it is also not more than 4 kilometers from this project. We are also having commercial space for this project. You can see that it is under construction. You will have more than 30 shops in this area. So thank you friends for watching this video. We are having few good offers for you since it is a new launch project, as well as we are having good discounts and bank schemes for this project. So to know more details, please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below. We will be happy to hear your feedbacks, as well as if you want to know more details, please contact us. These offers and discounts are for a very limited period, so please do contact us. Please like our channel and subscribe, and thank you again for watching this video.